And there we go, guys. Hopefully that was in frame, but we are fly fishing. Ooh, that's a bass. There we go. Ouch, he's pinned me. Little sunfish. Woo, back in the water he goes. And I'm already hung on the side of the, got hung in the weeds on the side already. I'm gonna have to tighten this up. It's sliding down my head already. Wonder if I can get that bass to take a hit. Nope, that one sank. So now it's a streamer. Oh, the bass tried to hit it just then. I'm gonna get that streamer out here in a minute. I should have brought the box down with me. So this is what the forceps are for. He swallowed that one a little bit deeper than I wish he would have. But we're gonna get it out just like so. Another pretty little fish. Away he goes. It is really clear water though. I will give that this. I'm gonna tighten this hat up a little bit on the back of my head. Sorry, I know now you guys are looking at the ground, but it was falling down too far. So if he is there, oh, nope, stay out of that. Doo-doo. There's a little bit bigger one right there. These. So what this guy is a little green sunfish. Got some really pretty markings. And again, this is coming out of this little ditch. Back in the water you go, buddy. You know, this is what I'm getting at, guys. I can sit here all day and just have a blast doing this. I could just catch fish as quick as I can throw them out. This is just a little ditch off the side of the road, and like I said, it kind of reminds me, you know, my dad's from Miami, and I would go Whoop, that wasn't a very good cast. It don't matter, watch this. I'll strip it back and I'll get me one. Doop. That one does have a little barb on it. I usually do this before I start. I just forgot. Actually, I think I got my... I have my Gerber with me.
Alright. So what's going on in this video is I'd gone out fishing and with some friends. We were in a cabin. So we were on a river and I was having a good time. And everybody that saw me fly fishing said the same thing. I always wanted to try that, but fly fishing's so expensive. So this video was to prove that fly fishing wasn't expensive. Sadly, the opening and talking about the reel and stuff, it didn't record properly. So guys, what you're looking at is the little rod, the reel, all the flies, everything I'm using in this video came off of Amazon. It was sold as a complete kit, ready to go. It was 87 bucks. It was 86 and some change, so we're just gonna say $87. It's actually pretty good condition, pretty nice. It's much better than what I started with. But the point of this, guys, is you can get out and you can have a good time and it not cost you a ton of money. This is sub $100. This little creek, ditch, whatever you want to call it, is 5 minutes from my house, and I'm out catching fish. So don't let price, scare you into not trying something. If I wanted to be really cheap, I could get a 5 weight off of Amazon for like $20, $30. I think I saw one for $30. That was the rod, the reel, and some line, and then just some mono for a tippet and some flies, and I'm out and rolling. So about $40 I could be out fishing. But yeah, again, give it a shot, guys. It's loads of fun, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Again, you don't have to spend even $100 to do this. I could be doing this with that 5-weight, catching the same fish. It is this simple. This whole kit, everything I'm using right here, was in fact, 70 something bucks. And I'm doing this at noon next to a noisy little, like I said, this is a ditch. It's a small creek that's in a ditch. I feel like that's that bass and I'm just missing it. Got it that time. Nope, little fish. Another little green fish. And free he goes. Another little brim. Ba-doop. That one's shortened up on it. Just gonna do a couple more casts and I'm gonna call this one done, guys. All right, let's get him up. That'll be the end of it, guys. That'll be our last one. Back you go, little buddy. That's it, guys, right there. Amazon fly rod, Amazon flies. Most of the time I didn't even need the forceps. There's our video. Get out there, grab a fly rod, go fishing. It's not that expensive. I got the case, I got the rod, lines, all of it was one package from Amazon. I unpacked it last night. The only thing I added to it were the forceps, which you could use a small pair of pliers if you got them laying around. You know, don't use the excuse of it's too expensive. Like, it's only as expensive as you make it to a degree. Boop. Oh. I'm gonna get this little guy in. Get down there a little more, we get some bigger ones coming up. Boop. Come here, little fat dude. You're a good one. Same size as the last one, I guess. But yeah, let's not beat up on the fish too bad. There we go, guys. Y'all have a wonderful one. Catch y'all in the next video. There we go, guys. The tip of the hook broke off. That's why I wasn't getting anything. Alrighty, let's go try a streamer and see if we get lucky.